guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create this makeup look right here. This makeup look I found on Pinterest and it's heavily inspired by Valentine's Day. As you can see, this makeup look has a lot of pink and it also has a little cute cute hats on your cheeks, which was super easy to create. Basically, this makeup look was super easy and super quick. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and without wasting any much more time, let's get into it. Okay, so to prime my eyes, first I'm going to use a lighter concealer. And now I'm going to take some translucent powder on this fluffy blending brush which I've got from Amazon and just set my eye primer. Alright, so I'm going to take this pink magenta shade right here and I'm going to place it all over my crease. As you can see, I'm blending this color all over my crease. And now to darken up the crease, I'm going to go in with this darker pink shade right here. And this time I'm going to concentrate the eyeshadow only on the outer corners. And now for the inner corners, I'm going to go in with this pink shimmer shade right here. Also going to be highlighting my inner corners with this shimmer. Also dragging it to the lower lash line. And now I'm going to underline my lower lash line with those same pink shades. Alright, so now let's move on to the eyeliner. So for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with my Inglot gel eyeliner and I'm just going to do a basic wing. Now I'm going to use that same gel eyeliner to just underline my waterline. As you can see, I'm joining my lower lash line to the upper lash line to give it a more, a feline cat eye look. Okay, then now that our eyeliner is nicely placed down, I'm going to go curl in my eyelashes. And now I'm going to coat my eyelashes with some Maybelline Colossal mascara. Alright, and now to finish off the eye, I'm just going to place a pair of false eyelashes and be right back. Alright, so now I'm just going to create a little bit of false freckles with my brow pomade right here from L'Oreal. Okay, now that false freckle look is done, I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend in those freckles just so that it looks more natural. Okay, so now for blush, I'm going to go in really heavy with blush and bring it all the way in. For the blush, I'm using the Maybelline Cheeky Glow blush in the shade Fresh Coral. Get your blush all the way to the nose bridge. Alright, so now that we have our blush nice and heavy, let's go in with the beautiful hearts. Okay, so to create those cute little Valentine's Day hearts, I'm just going to take this little brush and draw hearts on my cheeks. You can make small hearts as well, but I'm just going to make two round, nice big ones. Alright, so now that you've got your concealer hearts placed down, I'm just going to take some translucent setting powder, take it on a tiny brush, and I'm going to set these hearts. Try not to set them too much or you might just blend the edges of your heart away. Okay, so now to highlight the face, I'm going to go in with that same shade that I used to highlight my inner corners. Just going to take it on this tiny brush. Going to highlight the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose. The arch of the brow. And my cupid's bow. Alright, and now moving on to the lips, I'm going to use this nice pink lipstick shade and I'm going to just dab it on the centers. Now using my finger, I'm just going to blend the edges. Alright, now I'm just going to take a little bit of setting spray and set my face. Let this dry and I'll be right back. And this is the finished look. As you can see that this makeup look is really cutesy and very inspired by Valentine's Day. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.